Hey guys, Disney Collector here with the Slide and Surprise Playground from Toy Story Color Splash Buddies. It comes with one buddy of Woody. We're also gonna open two separate packages of these Color Splash Buddies. In the back here, you can see how they will change. This is Rex. And this here is Bad Mood Chuck. On this other box we have Lotso and Ken. Now let's see what we have in the box. So here's a bunch of parts for the play set. We also have instructions here, some little stickers, and the rest of the play set. As you can see, it was very easy to set up this play set. We're gonna put cold water in this bucket right here, icy water on the dumpster, as well as in the bucket for the paint station. We're also gonna add warm water in the tub. These plastic Color Splash Buddies will change colors with warm and cold water. And guys, I found this play set at Toys R Us for $10, but you can also find it at Amazon.com also for $10. Since Woody came in this package, let's give him a shower. And just like that, Woody's shirt changed from red to yellow. We can change his shirt again right here on the paint station using ice cold water. The shirt changes color instantly. I think it's time to take a shower. And let's dunk him in the dumpster. I think it's time for everybody else to join the party. Let's start painting Lotso. He's done. Now Ken. Oh, look at that. His shirt becomes purple. But not his shorts, just a shirt. Now Rex. And the last one, Bad Mood Chuck. Now we're gonna try some color changers from the movie Cars. Starting with Sally. And Lightning McQueen. Go Mater, go! Ramon, now it's time for another change. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more color changers right here on Disney Collector.